Hey guys, EST Dude 757 here, and this is a fire alarm update and system test as well. So, roll the intro. Okay, so the I/O. Let's open the panel here. Fidget with my keys. I got like a couple of keys here. Okay, the I/O is normal, but don't believe it for a second, please, because I just have this kind of hack here that just provides a positive power to the positive battery terminal, just to fool it into thinking there is batteries. Anyway, it shows normal, so that's a nice thing to see. And the date there, the time, fire alarm system normal. Now, show you what changes have been made. I took out that huge box and just replaced it with one of these smaller ones. And I had a box of fire alarms, that very same one that came with all those speaker strobes. There was just this plate for a module sitting in it, no modules. So I just took the plate, drilled 2 holes for it to make a cover, just to look nice. And then I redid this spot here. I just used to have this piece of conduit right here, this liquid-tight stuff. Not properly done up though. So I just took one of these old 120 volt wires there. They come in a thing right here. They come in a bundle here. You just pull them out, and you can use the shielded stuff to hide your wiring and things like that. Makes it look nice. Anyways, I fixed that and put one of those square back boxes for this Genesis. Yeah. So, and I have a pull station here. And I got the cable coming in the back here. I don't have a connector back there, so it's just loose. Just sits there into the hole. So over here, as you can see, I did this a while back, but I fixed up this how the wiring and stuff was done here. So I put another one of this shielded cable running from the smoke detector coming into the NAC and SLC box here. And then their cable goes here, runs to here. I gotta fix this better than this crap here. So hopefully at some point I'll buy some conduit and then do it a little bit properly. And here's the newer LED Genesis. I can probably throw up the model number somewhere. I just don't know where I kept the box for it. And here's the Edwards 279B-1120 dual action pole station key, converted to addressable by taking one of the modules off of one of these pole stations here. I just took the module off and then I put it on there. It's probably not listed idea, but hey, it works for me. So and here's where things get a little bit updated. So you have the junction box, terminal wiring over there behind the compressor. Just comes to here to this junction box. I gotta do this better at some point. Buy some more of that shielded cabling and bring it down to. Anyways, you no longer have a Genesis up here, EST Genesis. I've removed that and I've just put up this speaker strobe here. One of my speaker strobes, and I just boxed it in here. I just have this cabling and such here. I do have to replace all this with some better stuff like that shielded cabling to make it look a little more professional. Oh, ambulance. Anyway, cable just runs into the top of the box there. This speaker strobe, the strobe is wired up, but the speakers aren't used yet, and that's the surprise there a little bit. So I've been working on a project to make my own voice evacuation panel, and what you see here is a bit of that. As you can see, the voice module card that was seen in Aaron Productions' video, but I'm stepping it up a little bit here. I bought a Ultronics Ultronics power supply, providing 6 amps of 12 volts or 24 volts power. I have it set to 12 volts because the amplifier is going to be taking 12 volts for the board. Anyways, the reason I chose this power supply is because it's got these contacts here, battery fail and AC fail. So I can hook it up to a, similar to this, a Sega CT1 module, and set it to monitor or supervisory or something like that, so that I can get a trouble on the panel when the power supply has an issue. I know this isn't like a speaker monitored system kind of thing, but it's close enough for me, as this is merely kind of just demo. So that does work, and there's the Sega PS detector with the isolator base that I got from Fire Alarm Tech Guy 44, the isolator base and the detector, brand new stuff. I have like a bajillion other detectors in this drawer here. No, not that one. That's my scraps wires. Here it is. So I have like a bajillion other detectors, and then these ones here are the where they were in duct detector enclosures. Then these are the these here are the I'm having trouble finding one. Here is the remote LEDs for those duct detectors to put on. And I have a end of line resistor plate here. Speaker end of line. I'm not sure quite how to make the system register in end of line on the system, so I'll have to look into that at some point, whether a module can do that and monitor the riser, aka the audio speakers and stuff, for a resistor to know when the circuit's open. But for now, this is about as close as I can get it. Anyways, I think I've explained quite a bit, so let's go ahead and do a system test. So I'll start with just get the panel case here and leave it open, the panel open. And we'll go ahead and do the 279B converted adjustable, and just pull. Reset the pull station. This Genesis over here is quieter. I'm not sure if something's broken on it, but it's quieter. So you most prominently hear this one, the LED Genesis here. Anyways, oh, did I forget to turn the switch back off? I guess I did. Well, hey, pay attention to what you do. And not to your screen here. So flip that back and close the switch. There we go. Put the keys back in the panel. Reset the. Now we'll do another pull station. Let's do the shop pull station over here. Do the shop pull station. Reset it. Okay, now that that one's done, let's do the local pull station here at the panel, and then we'll do the detectors by doing a fire test using the panel control function there. So we'll go ahead and just pull this one. There we go, silence the panel. Okay, good. Reset the pull station. There's the pull station reset. Sorry, it's just cold out here, so I'm kind of zipped up all the way to my mouth here, so you can kind of hear me muffled a little bit. shop, local pole station, garage pole, shop pole, local pole. Shop, local. Alright, let's do the detector. So test, fire, password. Ooh, it's cold. My hands are freezing. Okay, so number 2 should be the shop smoke detector. So go ahead and select that device, and there we go. There's shop detector. Okay. Not sure what to call this video, whether it be system test 6 or 5 or whatever. Anyways, let's go ahead and test the other smoke detector. Which should be 3. Device 3. Yep, garage smoke. Just go ahead and select that one and start. There we go. There we go. Okay, we'll reset. Now the pole stations have been reset. And then that'll be it. Just wait for it to reset. There we go. System normal. Anyways, yeah, that's it for the system test. More updates will follow on this project here, and whether I get the other parts that I need to start building it together, and then get maybe an empty booster cabinet to put this stuff in. Yeah. So, stay tuned, and hopefully I'll get to more updates on this thing here. Thank you for watching.